Right-click the Windows icon and open Device Manager. Next, click Sound. Then select your Realtek audio device. Click Properties, then go to the Driver tab. If the driver version shows 2022, that usually means the equalizer feature is missing and you need to update it. To install the correct version, open your browser and type Realtek Audio Driver. Make sure you only visit the official Realtek website. That's realtek.com. Once on the site, click the three lines menu on the top left, then go to Downloads. Choose Computer Peripheral ICS, then PC Audio Codecs. Click the second option and download the latest version available. Even if doesn't list Windows 11, don't worry, it still works. After downloading, install the driver, then restart your PC. Once you're back, open the Realtek Audio Console and the equalizer should now be available. And that's it.